Okay, so the manipulator takes the first product, puts on the conveyor. At this point we have servo motor here. Technically at this point it could be standard synchronous motor, but we have used servo for this application. We need to go over the product. The most important thing maybe is this point. You can see we are adding this label on it, and so we have servo motor here. What actually do, it rotates with this chain. So the technology is, and well, at this point I'm doing homing, and then I'm going to position, then increase the position with preset valve and go to other position, and I repeat this cycle. I don't remember how many times, maybe 16, and then I do homing again, because it is possible I can lose with many cycles. I can lose the correct position, so periodically I make sometimes homing. Now see the issue at the end of this conveyor. Oh, see something happen here. Okay, sometimes it sucks. So let's go back to this point. When I'm moving with servo from one position to other, at some point I need to enable this valve. And the first time, so what I'm doing, I'm reading the position from servo drive via can open, and in some points I enable this, and another point I disable it. So when the first time I was running this, I had about 10 millimeters error here. Sometimes we have started to label at this point, sometimes 10 millimeters later, and also at the end. So I was trying to understand where is the issue. My PLC cycle is about 5 milliseconds, so I have calculated it should be about 1 millimeter error, but I have got 10 millimeters error. But later I have found also in can open builder there is a parameter how often we read and write the value to the servo drive. So the default value has been 50 milliseconds, so I have reduced this value to 5 milliseconds, and now we have got much more better result. So this is one point. For this application the customer says it's okay. Another maybe important point, we have manipulator here with two axes, horizontal and vertical. So vertical axis motor has the brake inside it, but horizontal axis motor doesn't have a brake. I don't know why the customer decided to select this type of motor, but when I started to write a program, it became a little bit complicated. I will show you why. Let's check, for example, I will wait when the robot will start moving. I will show you. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will stop the robot in emergency stop, because I have opened the door. It's an emergency stop, and because the motor doesn't have the brake, I can freely move it. And for example, if I will lift it up and I will stop the motor in this position and will move his hand to this point, it will continue, lift up and break everything in this way. Every time when I start the cycle, I check where I am and what should I do. What's more interesting about this, at some layers we have paper sheet in this position, so what I am doing, at this layer we have, at this layer we have, so what I do, I place these sheets on the top here, and then I am placing pellets product on another from there. I take the sheets and put them on the top, and although when this pallet is finished, I take this one and place it in this position. The safety light constraints are disabled now. I will show you another error. As you can see, I have here a sensor, laser sensor. I will show you how it works. And when I take the pallet, I check nothing left here. I lift a little bit. If the sensor get the signal, now I can use the hand. So I move to the top and stop on the top, because let's imagine the situation has been like this. So we need to fix it and continue to work. Oh, you can see what happened here. Was lifting, but I have just detected this. It was here in the middle, and maybe something stuck off. So the operator needs to fix it and continue to work. Okay, what if I will put it to this position, set, and it goes there. So this is the point. I really needed to make very complicated program because this motor doesn't have a brake, so it became very complicated. Now taking the sheet, lifting very slow because need time, and putting on the top. And then we will reach the layer, I don't remember which one. We will take the sheet and put it on the top. That's layer 6, I think, yes. So it's only layer 3, so I will not record until it will finish. So this is the technology.